Sanibonani Gamusimto Wakadlala. Just an update when it comes to ticket sales for the final of Nedbank Cup Moses Mabhida Stadium this coming weekend. And ngiyazi abantu abakhulu abaningi bebekhala ukuthi ngabe ama-tickets are still available nokuthi ke laba abanye sebewathengile khamba kanjani. Asiqale la. I-CEO ye-PSL uMama Mato Wadlala did explain ukuthi as i-PSL babona nje just after 30 minutes ukuthi ke banenkinga yama-ticket especially u-open ticket. Then base bacela u-CompuTicket ukuthi ubalekelele especially when it comes to ticket sales, but nakhona uma sebeqala sebekhuluma no-CompuTicket kwasho ukuthi amanye amathikithi sebekwazile ukuthi ke bawadayise especially to online market. But let me allow you ukuzwele wena kuMama Mato Madlala explain nge-issue yama-ticket.
Okay, when we went on sale on Monday 10 o'clock, 15, 20, 30 minutes later, the surge, as Betty has indicated, was unprecedented. The server crashed and we had challenges at that time because of the numbers, everyone trying to access the system at the same time. So we were aware from Monday. And as I explained, that we were aware from Monday, we started looking for solutions. And one of the reasons that caused the over-subscription was when they couldn't access the service provider's website. Then we looked for the solution to say, how else can people, rather than queuing, because there was a queue of about 3,000 or more. So we said, what other alternate solution can we provide? Then we spoke to CompuTicket. When I say we, I'm meaning now the service provider, because we're all together in this. So we spoke to CompuTicket to say, can you let us use your server so that people can go in there? So at that point, when we were using the service provider and also the CompuTicket server, they were not talking. So it was stress, it was pressure at that time. So the update wasn't happening live. And that is what caused the result of this oversubscription. Because while it was just one, it updates as you accepted. But we had to improvise now and bring a second one. And that's why they are not issued immediately. We didn't issue immediately because we had to reconcile after that. After we closed both servers to say what were the numbers. And that's how we picked up the numbers, that the numbers were there. But the league was aware. And having been aware, and the next question is, why now are you only talking to us and talking to the public? There is protocol. After the analysis, and that's why I'm saying I can't publish any audited financials without an independent auditor to say, tick, tick, yes, you are right. Anything else that I had was a report from the service provider. And I wanted that report to be interrogated, to be analyzed. And therefore, my independent auditor, who is sitting next to me, to say, go in, you've just done this derby. Look at this report. Does it sound correct? And we looked at that report. And after that, then the provincial commissioner wanted a meeting. And from respect, we said, I'm not going to issue any statement until we have a consolidated meeting with the commissioner, because this can't happen without the province and the commissioner allowing it to go on with everything else that was being said. So in social media, all over, fake and correct news were being flaunted around. So we had to have a meeting, the one that we had yesterday. Took us about 4 hours to go through the process. And that's why we're sitting here today jointly to say it's all under control.
Well, ingakho ke PSL decide ukuthi ithola umuntu wangaphandle ozokwazi ukuthi aba-analyzele yonke data about ama-ticket sales nokuthi i-capacity Moses Mabhida Stadium ku-56,000 but bebefuna ukudayisa almost u-40,000 or 46,000 ama-tickets ukuze bakwazi ukuthi ke ba-accommodate. Akumele stadium sigcwele kakhulu so that if kukhona okwenzakalayo abantu bakwazi ukumove. But ke lo muntu wangaphandle abamcelile naye u-analyze kanje.
From the data I've obtained, I want to, and excuse me, I'm not going to try to be, or trying not to be long-winded, but to give you the relevant information. The capacity of the stadium that's been approved by the ESSPC is 49,000 307 seats. It's a reduced capacity. There's been, and the stadium manager will allude to that, there's a proper grading certificate and proper compliance with the SASHA Act, and that is the capacity and the number of tickets that were issued. The breakdown of these tickets are as follows. Hospitality tickets, 5,307. Complimentary tickets to the sponsors, to the clubs and other contractual obligations, 3,000. And that leaves us with 41,000 general access tickets that went on sale. Now, according to the information we could gather, and I would like to say this is a preliminary report that was provided to the PSL. The final report will still serve before the PSL and I'm sure before the Board of Governors, and then there will be a decision taken. But the minute the tickets opened, it was sold out within 90 minutes. That caused a delay, a glitch, a crash, call it whatever you want to. It's not applicable and it's not relevant to our discussions now. The fact is that tickets went on sale and the system allowed more people to make payments than there's capacity for. Now that immediately raises the concern, and a lot of, as the CEO alluded to, false information went out, that people were issued with tickets. That's not the case. Open tickets with their appointed, they've got a service level agreement with a CompuTicket as a distribution agent. They stopped the platform from issuing tickets, physical tickets, but the transactions still went through. Now, what did that entail? At the retail outlets, the Shoprite Checkers outlets, 4,956 tickets were sold and issued across the country. I will deal with a breakdown of it now. On the Open Ticket website, the digital tickets, 2,435. The CompuTicket website, 44,121. So that immediately tells you that there's an issue, over issuing of tickets. They stopped the issuing, as I already alluded to, and I just want to get to the breakdown if you allow me. Of the outlet sales, as I said, CompuTicket, Shoprite, 33.55% of the uptake went to KwaZulu-Natal. 35.24 went to Gauteng, and Mpumalanga 8.51. I'm not going to deal with the rest. The Open Ticket and CompuTicket online sales combined, KwaZulu-Natal 39.56, Gauteng 32.73, and Mpumalanga 12%. Please refer to the actual, this number only refers to the actual tickets that was issued. So, of the issuing of tickets, there were 19,361 tickets that still had to be allocated to successful purchasers. Of that, we determined yesterday 34.2% went to KwaZulu-Natal. So let me try and explain it as easy as I can. To get to the planned capacity, they had to allocate from this over-issuing of the tickets, 19,561 tickets had to be allocated to people that paid but did not get their tickets. 10,510 people, or not people, tickets, were paid for but were over capacity, and those people had to be refunded. So during the course of yesterday, and I can confirm that I've got a certificate from the ticketing agent, all people to the capacity of the stadium received their tickets, whether it's hard copy thermal tickets or digital via the different platforms. So the message should go out. There were no more tickets issued than the capacity allows for. That is the most important message. And that was why General Mkhwanazi personally was in the meeting yesterday to confirm that as well.
Well-ke ngomgqibelo mawukuthi awunalo ithikithi mawukuthi usacabanga ukuya emabhida uyofuna ithikithi ngeke usalithola amathikithi are sold out sanje ngo first 90 minutes walusuku la ngomsomluko but-ke amaphoyisa eThekwini ngiyazi ukuthi kunabantu asibaziyo bonke ukuthi bazofuna ukohlofa but-ke i-SAPS ithe ilindele konke okungase kuqhamukeke ngawo umgqibelo njengoba bezobe bemphume ngenkani wonke amaphoyisa ekutheni aqinisekise ukuthi le game ye-final ihamba ngomumo.
Yes, indeed. When we deploy our intelligence, as well as when we look at history of what happened in the province in the past, and looking at the type of event that we're about to host, we look at all angles, including the one that you're talking about. We have plans in place to deal with. There are going to be areas that will be considered sterile, meaning that we're going to block roads and access to the stadium at a certain point, but that will be dealt with in another briefing or in another statement. So to answer you directly, yes, we have plans in place and we have thought of exactly what you are talking about.
Well-ke sobona ngawo kumgqibelo ukuthi kuhamba kanjani eMoses Mabhida Stadium. I hope now usunalo ithikithi and hopefully usunayo understanding ukuthi kukwenzekeni ngale issue yamathikithi. Amathikithi awasekho we sold out ngo 90 minutes sesobonana nalabo abanayo but okumnandi ukuthi khona bazothola i-refund yabo kulezi insuku esesele nje ukuze bakwazi ukuthi ke bathola imali yabo abangeke bakwazi ukuya eMoses Mabhida Stadium. Ngabe unalo yini lakhe ithikithi olithole online? Looking forward to your final ngomgqibelo.